We got this $500,000 house for $200,000. We bought this one at foreclosure auction, and unfortunately, someone else was the second lien holder, but we were the first lien holder bid, and we won it for really cheap. And now we're gonna check on all the renovations that we had so we get it on the market today. So, ooh, definitely needs a cleaning. All right, but that's not a big deal. It's kind of the final stages. Right now, the heat's still off. We just found out from the gas company that the vent needs to be checked, which is actually the flue pipe in the chimney. Gotta get a plumber out here to check it out and then sign off, and we can get the gas back on to get heat. That's the last thing, but the contractor said they're done, so I'm trying to walk through, go through the punch list and see if everything is done. If not, take pictures and get them a list so they can come fix it, and then we'll get it cleaned, and then we'll put the sucker on the market. Move the toilet and reposition from that's for the basement. The first loss, we whitewashed the fireplace, which came out pretty nice. This looks a lot better. So we kind of painted here, whitewashed that, kind of like the look, a little more modern. So that is not fixed, as we can see here. And we got a little stain on the ceiling over here. So we did put a brand new roof on it, but it looks like maybe that happened first. I don't know. So that's gonna have to get addressed. Go through a smaller dumpster, remove all old damaged flooring. The other thing, there was a leak over here that we were having them address. All right, so that's all cleaned up. That's good. This needs to be trashed out. Fix the ceiling tile, still needs to be addressed. Grabber. I thought we were gonna kind of clean this up a little bit, but oh, this didn't get addressed. And all the siding. All right, so little stuff in here, cleaning it up. That's actually our lawnmower. We'll bring that back to the shop. This other handrail did not get installed. We're just gonna clean up the floors. I just done. See, I checked the light fixtures got updated, which is nice. There were very ugly light fixtures before. Looks like that got cleaned up, which is good. It's getting just a full thorough cleaning. This did not get taken care of. Little ding on the paint. New light fixture there. That came out nice. New mirror, that came out okay. Toilet's tight. Smoke detector's good. Someone left the light on. Oh, that's weird. So if you do it one time, I've never seen this light before. Doors back on the track. This is just a weird light. I've never seen that. Oh, you got a little stain here in the ceiling. It's got different modes. That needs to get addressed. Okay, it's not good. I had them replace that. That's good. That was fixed. Okay. Hi, Naya. You having fun? The roofer might have came here after. They also left the ladder. Like, I didn't pick the lights out. I had our agent who's going to be listing the place. I had her kind of help project manage this one. And so she actually picked out the lights. The lights before were really bad. And so I'm like, no, not so. There were lights that were here were bad, but then the first lights she picked were really bad. And so I kind of gave her some feedback. And I like the look of them. It's just the odd, I've never seen like a double kind of cap there. So there's some still issues with those. You see the kind of paint peel in there. That, and then you got the stain over here still. That's gonna get addressed. This is when it's supposed to come out. How to clean up with all these hooks. Here's the master bathroom. Okay, that looks good. Shower looks decent. I mean, all needs to be clean, but that's good. Okay. Window lock. I was pointing out, oh, the contractor that did this work, I'm kind of disappointed. Like there's some obvious stuff that didn't get done. Cheap. Let me check this last one here. Okay, they fixed this one. Okay. Check the basement. So they refixed this. It was leaking on the outside, so they fixed this, fixed the foundation, which is good. Replaced the floor. Went through here, good. They went right through the closet. So this was the big thing. I thought they didn't do anything with the toilet. And they didn't install the toilet paper holder. So it was here for them. Like, right here. Just screw it on. Okay, and then I didn't install this toilet, by the way. I just want to kind of point this out. This was not my design. We bought this house like this. So I apologize whoever buys this. This was not my idea. We were going to try to turn it, but then if we did that, it was going to mess up everything. We couldn't really, turn it and jackhammer everything up, and then we'd have to redo the tile. So it is what it is. This is your kid's bathroom. I don't know. Hopefully they're really short like me. You excited, Nyack? Do you like it here? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, wow, you're going up there, Nyack. Thought they were going to clean this up a little bit. So let's walk the outside. I mean, it's all small stuff in here. Check the water meter area. Yep, looks good. Okay. Honestly though, I'm going to turn this off and turn this off because, so I don't know why they didn't do this, but right now, at least it stays here because there's no heat on. If it does burst, it will only leak out what's over there. This should stay in okay. But I don't want to have a burst pipe and flood the whole place. I've had that happen before. That sucks. Make sure we keep the lights on, save some money. All right, now you ready? Outside? We're gonna go walk outside. Come on, girl. All right, so we got damaged siding that was on the back of the place. Let's go check that out. Thought they were doing a little more curb appeal. I don't understand. Really? They caulked it? They did replace the siding. Okay, they did flash it. Okay. So that was one of the issues. It wasn't flashed. So the water was going right behind the siding and then into the basement level. So they did do that. And it looks like they did a decent job, so that's good. Honestly, not bad. So a little bit more to do, but we're real close to getting a second on the market. Pretty exciting. After running comps, we found that $499.9 seems to be the list price here. It's kind of comparable, and you see all these nice houses. And looking at other sales recently, I think it's very solid for this house. But honestly, because we're in it quite cheap, we'll definitely be willing to let it go for a little faster, a little less. And so we'll probably check out how the first week goes, see how many showings we have at the open house. And if it doesn't, kind of go within the first week, might drop it a little bit just to kind of entice people a little bit more. But my guess is we'll probably get multiple offers first week because we are pricing it pretty right. And hopefully we'll get it sold within the next 2 months. If you're looking to get properties like this on the cheap, you should definitely check out foreclosure auctions in your area. If you want to learn more about that, check out our book, Foreclosures Unlocked, up on Amazon. And as always, guys, watch out for more videos because we're coming out with new videos every Thursday. And if you leave a comment below, I'll be happy to answer it. See you on the next one.